Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed egg and tofu with prawns. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the egg mixture. I have with me over here 90 milliliters of water. Cracking one egg, this is approximately 50 to 60 grams. Add in half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon or chicken stock. Now if you do not want to use chicken stock, just omit this and change it to 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. Just mix this up well together. Something like this will be good. Now we'll pour the egg mixture over the tofu. Remember to dab dry the tofu before you place them into your steaming plate or bowl. Using a fine colander, just pour the egg mixture through. Okay, now we'll heat up some water and then we'll steam our egg and tofu mixture. To steam the egg, please turn the heat down to medium-low. We just need to have it constant boiling like this. A soft boil will be good. Otherwise, it will create a lot of craters. I'm just going to put my steamer on. Put in your egg and tofu mixture. This is very important. Cover it up so that the water evaporation will not drop onto your egg mixture and create craters too. We'll cover this up. Remember to always just steam this at a low heat. We'll steam this for between 12 to 14 minutes. And in the meanwhile, I will show you how we season the prawns as well as to prepare the sauce. Now we are going to do a simple marinade on the prawns. I have with me over here 100 grams of prawns, deveined and deshelled, approximately 8 pieces. Add in half a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. That's it, nothing else. Mix them up well together and then you will just set this aside. We will need to place this over our steamed egg in a while. Now we'll prepare the sauce for the egg. I have with me over here half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in 2 tablespoons of hot water to melt the sugar. Stir them up a little bit. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Stir them up well and set them aside. This will be the sauce for our egg mixture. Later we'll drizzle this over the egg. If you want to add sesame oil, feel free to do so, but I want this to be as oil-free as possible, so I'm not adding in sesame oil. Now we'll just set this aside. 12 minutes up, let's have a look. Right, it's almost done. We'll add in our prawns now. Just spread your prawns all over the egg mixture. I've not off the fire yet. The egg is semi-set but not fully set yet. We'll place the cover on again. Put the lid back on. And we'll steam this for another 12 minutes or so. Remember to keep the heat on low. I'll see you back in a while. 12 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Right. You can turn the heat off now. Now we'll drizzle the sauce over the egg. Lastly, sprinkle some spring onion and it's ready for lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Look at how wobbly this is. I'll give it a try now. Very, very smooth. Like tau hui, or we call it tofu fa. Silky binker. But it's extremely smooth. Very, very nice. Let's try the prawns. Very nice texture, very fresh, and super sweet too. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Don't look at me, look at the camera. Camera over there. Look over there. Camera over there.